You can't even imagine how technology is making farming much more easier nowadays. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about how was farming in the past and present days and the machines which are making farming much more easier. Let's get started. The first machinery tool is self-driving tractors. The name itself says it doesn't require any driver to operate. One of the models of John Deere, which has 16 cameras with 360 degrees of resolution, captures the pictures in front of it, and with its high-speed preprocessor, it will analyze whether moving ahead is either safe or not, and the entire process takes place within 1/10 of a second. It can do the work as efficient as normal tractors without any driver. But this machinery tool is very expensive. Talking about the second, that is a laser weeder. I often see farmers use various herbicides and pesticides in order to kill the weeds in the farm. But this machinery tool, with its very accuracy in pointing the weeds, it shows the weeds with the laser beam, and it doesn't harm as herbicides and pesticides harm the environment much. But it is also very expensive as the self-driving tractor. That is half of $1 million. Talking about the third, it is drone pollination. As the population of human is increasing, the population of bees is declining in the same way. But bees are really efficient in the process of pollination. In order to solve this problem, researchers, countries in North America and Japan are trying to build an alternative for this, that is an artificial bee. This artificial bee is designed to do the same work as a natural bee can, that is carrying the pollen grains from male to female plant of flower. These artificial bees lag behind the natural bees. Talking about the fourth, that is rice transplanter. In today's world, as the technology and the world is moving towards the automation, even the work of rice transplantation is often done by a machine without a driver. With its GPS technology, it can work as smart and as efficient as a human. Talking about the fifth, it's drone technology. In past days, a man with a power sprayer in his back and move all the field and sprays the chemical. But in today's world, a drone does the same work as efficient as a human with an affordable price. If you like my explanation, do not forget to subscribe my channel.